Okay, so I had to do an honest review on this item. My sister bought it for me for Christmas because I am a very cheap traveler and I refuse to pay for a carry-on bag on airlines that are a la carte like Frontier and Spirit. And I wanted to try it out. We're on our way to Philly tomorrow. So we're connecting to Atlanta to drop off our kids with my parents, and then we're going with my sister and her husband to Philly for a day and a half. And so it was the Nordace, see that? The Nordace bag, compression bag. And I wanted to see how much I could travel with this tiny bag. So here is the Nordace small carry-on package. It didn't close all the way, but I don't think that really matters because of how much stuff is in here. You can see that I swear I was gonna bust the seams, but for you to see like the size of it, you can hold it in your hand. It's kind of the size of a plate, maybe a small laptop or a netbook bag, maybe. But let me show you what's inside. So it has this double compression zipper that goes all the way around like an expansion on luggage. It gives you some more room. But inside I have a pair of sleeper pants, a t-shirt, one, two, three pairs of leggings, a tank top, a cami, a pair of socks, a sweater, it's a crop top one, but still, a belt, and a pair of jeans. So here's what the inside looks like. I will not lie, I had to put on the solid floor and put my knee into it so that I could squeeze it closed, but it all did fit. So pretty impressed, and this is a game changer when it comes to not paying for a carry-on on an a la carte flight.